Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about the environment. So first, look at these pictures. What happened in each of them? If you see, we have before and after pictures. Now I want you to answer. What is the name of the challenge? Did you participate in it? Why? Would you like to do it? Why? Pause the video and write your answers in your notebook. Okay guys? I want you to please go to your student book, page 74. Go to exercise 1A. In this exercise, you're going to label the pictures with the correct words. Then we're going to listen and check. So if we see number 1, we have a polar bear in the middle of the ocean in a piece of ice. And this picture, what is it representing? Yes, it is representing global warming. Very good. Pause the video while you do the rest and then come back. Okay, let's listen.
1. Global warming. 2. E-waste. 3. Solar energy. 4. Plastic bags. 5. Nuclear energy. 6. Wind farm. 7. Organic food. 8. Pollution. 9. Recycling bin. 10. Hybrid car.
Okay, great job, guys. Now, how do they impact the environment? Which ones have a positive impact on the environment and how? Which ones don't have a positive impact? Why? Pause the video while you think about this and write a P next to the this that have a positive impact, or an N if they have a negative impact on the environment, okay? For example, global warming, is it something positive or negative? Yeah, it's negative, so we're going to write a letter N. But what if I say organic food? Is that something positive or negative? Yeah, since it is positive, we're going to write a letter P. Pause the video while you work on this, please. Okay, guys, let's continue. I want you to go to workbook page 57. Let's go to work uh, in exercise 1. Here, we're going to complete the easy ways you can help the environment using the words that we have in the box. So if we see, we have the first part of the words and then the second part. So we have many people don't like nuclear energy. They prefer to get their electricity from a, what do you think? That's right, from a wind farm. Okay. Buy and drive a hybrid car. They don't use as much gas as other cars and they cause less pollution. Okay, guys, let's continue with the rest. Again, continue using the ideas in the box, so pause the video while you work on this. Okay, let's check. Take your own cloth bags to the supermarket. Don't use plastic bags. Cook and eat organic food. It is safer for the environment. Regular light bulbs are not good for the environment. Use CFLs instead. This will help reduce global warming. 6. Put a large recycling bin in your house and recycle paper, glass, and plastic. Let's check the others. When you buy a new computer, don't throw the old one away. If it still works, give it to a friend. This will help reduce e-waste. 8. Use solar energy to dry your clothes. Put your towels, blouses, shirts, pants, and even jeans on a clothesline to dry outside. Excellent, guys. Now I want you to think about this. Which of these affect Guatemala, and what would be a good solution? Write down some ideas in your notebook. You can use the phrases over there. In my opinion, e-waste affects Guatemala because blah blah blah. And I think a good solution would be to blah blah blah. So write down at least three ideas in your notebook. Remember to use the phrases over there. Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, guys, let's continue. Now, are you green? And what do you think being green is? Yes, being green means that you take care of the environment. So, do you consider yourself to be green? What are these products? And are they green? Why? Write down your ideas in your notebook, please. Pause the video. Okay, guys. Now, I want you to please read these texts and check if your previous ideas were correct or not. What makes each of these products green? Pause the video while you find your answers. Okay, guys. So, the CFLs or compact fluorescent light bulbs, they don't waste so much energy. They use less energy and you save more money. Now, the recycled toothbrush. This is made from 100% recyclable plastic and it comes with a reusable travel case. Now, what is green about this shopping bag? Well, it is made of cloth, so you can reuse it a lot. And what about the plastic bottle? Yeah, well, this one is not plastic, this one is actually steel, so you can reuse it a lot. Okay, excellent. Now, I want you to please read these sentences. First, we're going to identify the nouns. Pause the video while you find them. Okay, let's see what you got. Farms, recycling bins, money, CFLs, plastic bottles, landfills, organic food, light bulbs, energy, plastic bottles, plastic. Very good. Now, are they count nouns or non count nouns? Pause the video while you think about this. Okay, let's check. Pharmacies, count. Recycling bins is also count. CFLs, plastic bottles, landfills, light bulbs, and plastic bottles are also countable nouns. That's correct. And which ones are non count? Money, organic food, energy, and plastic. That's correct. Okay, now I want you to answer this. What words can be used with both countable and non countable nouns? Read the sentences, pause the video while you find the words. Yes, guys, the words you can use are more and enough. Look, we need more farms countable. You save more money with CFLs. That is not countable. There aren't enough recycling bins countable. People don't buy enough organic food non countable. That's correct. Okay, what is the difference between too much and too many? Again, pause the video while you think about your answer. Okay, so let's see. There are too many plastic bottles in the landfill. I use it with a countable noun, too many. Regular light bulbs use too much energy. Yeah, we're going to use too much for non-countable nouns. And what about fewer and less? What's the difference? Pause the video once again. Yes, guys. People should buy fewer plastic bottles. Again, we use this for countable nouns. People should try to use less plastic, and that is for non countable. Okay, great job. Before we continue, let's just remember that the phrase not enough means that it is not sufficient. And if I only say enough, it means that I have the sufficient objects. Okay, let's continue, guys. Let's go to the workbook on page 58, exercise 2. We're going to be checking the countable and non-countable nouns. Check your answers, please. Now, let's work on exercise 3. Here, we're going to complete the sentences with fewer or less. So for example, we have the world should be a better place with less e-waste. Since I cannot count e-waste, I use less. Let's do number 2 together. People should use plastic bags. Can you count them? Yes, right. So we're going to use fewer. Pause the video while you work on this, please. Okay, guys. Now let's go and work on exercise 4. Here, you're going to complete this letter using too many or too much. So let's do the first ones. June 17. I read the article Building Goes Up Green yesterday. It was very interesting, and I'm glad we are going to have a shopping mall that is better for the environment. There are too many buildings in the city that are bad for the environment. Most buildings use energy. Can you count it? No, right? So most buildings use too much energy. So it is important that the new buildings will use solar energy. Pause the video while you do the rest. Okay, now let's go to page 59, exercise 5. Here you're going to write sentences using not enough or too many. So we have here the items that this person needed, the quantity this person needed to have, the quantity she has right now, and what she needs to complete her goal. So the first one says, Mijon doesn't have enough plastic bottles. Why? Well, she needed 100, but she only has 85. So she's missing 15. Let's do number 2, glass bottles. She needed 25 and she has 30. So she doesn't need anything else. She has too many glass bottles. Pause the video while you work on this, please. Okay, guys, we're going to be checking all of these exercises during our Zoom lesson. So let's continue. I want you to go to your student book on page 75, exercise 3A. In this exercise, you have to complete the opinions using quantifiers. More, not enough, too many, too much, fewer, or less. Let's do the first one together. I think it is good that people are buying hybrid cars. They reduce global warming. Yes, it's good that more people are buying hybrid cars. Okay, guys, pause the video while you work on this, please. Excellent. We're going to check this exercise in Zoom as well. Guys, this is the end of the video. I will see you in class. Bye bye.